Imagine wearing a device that knows your body is in danger before you even feel a single symptom. What if Siri on your wrist finally stopped failing you and actually answered your questions instantly? And what if you could finally get the most premium, exclusive Apple Watch face without dropping $800 on the rugged Ultra model? Well, you do not have to imagine anymore. Apple is about to completely shake up the tech world at the upcoming Worldwide Developers Conference. We are getting massive software upgrades with WatchOS 2.7 alongside a total ground-up redesign for the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 4. Whether you already wear an Apple Watch every single day or you are finally planning to buy your very first one, this is the ultimate breakdown you cannot afford to miss. Let's dive straight into the game-changing details. We have to start with the single most important update of all, and that is your personal health tracking. Apple has always marketed the Apple Watch as a literal lifesaver, but the upcoming watchOS 2.7 update takes health tech to a whole new level. According to top-tier tech insiders, Apple is rolling out massive improvements to its core heart rate tracking software. The absolute best part about this: these upgrades will work flawlessly on current Apple Watch hardware. You do not need to spend hundreds of dollars on a brand new device just to get better heart data. But the real showstopper here is a revolutionary high blood pressure notification feature. Internal reports indicate that this new software tool is currently under strict review by the FDA. Now, let us be completely clear about how this actually functions. Your Apple Watch is not going to replace a traditional medical blood pressure cuff. It will not display specific numbers like 120/80 right on your screen. Instead, it leverages the advanced optical heart rate sensor on the back of the watch. This sensor will continuously track exactly how your blood vessels react every single time your heart beats. If the watch detects an unusual, dangerous trend over time, it sends you an immediate alert. Think of it as a highly intelligent early warning system for hypertension. It is not a formal medical diagnosis, but it is the exact kind of data-driven nudge that tells you to visit a doctor before a minor issue becomes a major crisis. For the millions of people worldwide who suffer from high blood pressure without knowing it, this single feature will quite literally save lives. Next up, let us shift gears to something highly visual and incredibly fun. Everyone loves fresh watch faces, and watchOS 2.7 is finally delivering a massive fan favorite. For the past few years, the stunning modular Ultra watch face has been locked away. It was strictly exclusive to the high-end Apple Watch Ultra. If you owned a standard Series 9, a Series 10, or an older aluminum model, you were completely out of luck. It felt deeply unfair because that specific face is widely considered the most beautiful and deeply functional layout Apple has ever created. It gives you a massive digital clock alongside multiple complications to track your local weather, daily activity rings, and calendar events all at the exact same time. Thankfully, Apple took the customer feedback seriously. watchOS 2.7 is officially introducing a simplified, beautifully optimized version of the modular Ultra face for standard Apple Watches. The new design retains the iconic, bold digital clock that beautifully fills up the top two-thirds of your display. Directly underneath the time, you get a clean row of 3 smaller custom complications. To make it fit standard screens perfectly, Apple removed the massive center widget, and the outer data rows from the original Ultra version. Honestly, this cleaner and more minimal aesthetic might actually be better for everyday use. It gives you all the premium, high-status energy of the top-tier Ultra model without any of the overwhelming screen clutter. It instantly makes your standard Apple Watch look like a brand new device without costing you a single extra dime. But a beautiful watch face does not mean much if the voice assistant inside it fails you constantly. Let us be completely honest about the history of Siri on the Apple Watch. For years, the user experience has been deeply frustrating. You ask a quick question while cooking, running, or driving, Siri gets completely confused and then tells you to check your iPhone screen instead. That annoying era is finally coming to an end. Apple is completely rewriting the code for Siri this year using advanced machine learning models. While the heaviest, most complex AI chatbot features will stay on the iPhone and Mac because they have more processing power, the Apple Watch is still getting a massive brain upgrade. With watchOS 2.7, Siri will finally be able to understand and execute complex, multi-step requests right on your wrist. You will be able to speak naturally while working out and receive a highly accurate, useful response instantly. There are even heavy rumors about a standalone Siri application coming directly to the watch interface. But the real victory here is simple daily utility. Having a voice assistant that actually functions flawlessly when your hands are full is a massive upgrade for your daily productivity. Now let us shift our focus to the highly anticipated future of Apple Watch hardware. The current leaks surrounding the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 are absolutely wild. Ever since the very first day the Ultra line launched, it has looked exactly the same. It is a giant, boxy titanium brick. It is incredibly rugged, but let us face it, it is simply too big and heavy for a lot of users to wear comfortably to the office or to sleep. That is exactly why the biggest news for the Ultra 4 is a complete physical redesign. Reports state that Apple is working incredibly hard to deliver a significantly thinner case. This will allow the watch to sit perfectly flush against your wrist, giving it a sleek, modern lifestyle look while keeping that signature rugged titanium durability completely intact. Even better, early design leaks suggest that Apple might build a dedicated fingerprint scanner directly into the Ultra 4 hardware. Imagine being able to securely unlock your watch instantly without awkwardly typing in a passcode with sweaty hands at the gym, or while wearing thick gloves on a freezing morning hike. It is a brilliant, common-sense quality-of-life upgrade that makes total sense for a premium sports watch. The technical upgrades under the hood are even more impressive. The sensor array on the bottom of the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is reportedly doubling in size. It is jumping from the traditional 4-sensor setup to a massive, highly advanced 8-sensor array. This is an incredible engineering feat, and it matters immensely for data accuracy. The older 4-sensor design can occasionally struggle to get clean readings if a user has dark tattoos, thicker skin, or different skin tones. By doubling the number of physical sensors, the Ultra 4 will deliver incredibly precise, flawless health data for absolutely every single body type. This massive hardware jump is also exactly what will power the most advanced version of the new high blood pressure tracking. While standard Apple Watches will receive a basic software notification, the Ultra 4 will leverage this powerful 8-sensor array to give you the most accurate cardiovascular tracking ever seen on a consumer wearable. Finally, we have to talk about the absolute elephant in the room for any serious athlete, and that is battery life. The current Ultra watches last around 36 to 42 hours on a single charge. That is great for an Apple Watch, but it is absolutely nothing compared to dedicated sports watches from Garmin or Coros, which can easily last for weeks. Apple wants to completely close that competitive gap with the Ultra 4. Engineers are shrinking internal components to pack a much larger battery cell inside the slimmer case design. To complement this larger battery, Apple is introducing a highly anticipated power-saving feature called Extreme Mode. This setting is built specifically for hardcore outdoor adventurers, multi-day hikers, and ultramarathon runners. When you turn on Extreme Mode, the watch aggressively optimizes its internal power consumption. It cuts out all unnecessary background app drainage, but keeps your critical tracking systems completely active. Your GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and elevation data will keep running perfectly for days on end without a single interruption. This completely eliminates the constant fear of your watch dying in the middle of the wilderness. It officially transforms the Apple Watch Ultra 4 from a trendy lifestyle tech piece into a serious, uncompromising tool for elite athletes. When you look at the entire picture, Apple is putting together an absolutely incredible lineup this year. WatchOS 2.7 is breathing fresh life into the older watches we already own with life-saving blood pressure alerts, stunning new visual styles, and a genuinely smart Siri. Meanwhile, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate dream device for anyone who wants peak performance, flawless health accuracy, and elite battery life in a beautiful, much thinner design. It is easily the most exciting time to be in the Apple ecosystem. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another breaking tech update. Drop a comment down below and let me know which specific feature you are most excited to try out. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the very next one.